Save Goa. Save trees. Save Goa. Save trees. Save trees. आमची झाडं आमकां जाय. आमची झाडं आमकां जाय.
तर आयज सगळे तुम्ही हांगासर जमा जाल्ल्या गोवा ब्रिगेडाच्या अंतर्गत कितें सांगूंक पळयता तुमी?
आयज फोन घेवन पळोवपाक गेल्यार लास्ट 6 म्हयन्यान एक झाड कापीत आहा. हे रस्त्यार 18 जून रोडार आमी 3 झाडां कोपरपड काडून वयले फॉर नो रिजन. हे झाड पळय हेल्थी, ताका कीड लागू ना, पोकळ जावं ना, कांय ना, बरें हेल्थी झाड आसलें. कापूंक जाल्यार ट्रीम करपाक जाताले.
पूण ते जनता हाऊस डेमोलिश करता खंय न्हू, ताका लागून ते कापला म्हणटा.
ना 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 हेजे समोर कापला. विधानकाचे फुडें कापला. कित्याक कापला मागीर थिंगा कॅनरा बँकेच्या समोर कापला. कित्याक कापीत आहा. आतां गोंयांत लोक येता कित्याक गोंयांत इतली सुंदर झाडांक लागून, बिकॉज वी गॉट हेरिटेज ट्रीज एंड गोवा इज सो ग्रीन. इफ यू मेक गोवा लायक अ डेजर्ट, हू वांट टू कम टू गोवा? Nobody will want to come to Panjim. Government only one thing they want casinos and mega projects, mega hotels, mega casinos, mega housing projects. What about the nature or environment? People are suffering below the heat. गर्मी वाढत आहे मरे. पाऊस येईना, पाऊस पडणं, झाडं कापून. आता आम्ही बोरिंग दिला सीसीपी मेयराक रोहित मसराक सांगून की हे कापपाचे तुम्ही बंद करा. बंद करिना जाल्यार आमी विल स्टार्ट इनिशिएट लीगल एक्शन. बिकॉज दे हैव नो एक्सपर्ट, दे डोंट हैव एनी ट्री डॉक्टर टू डिसाइड whether tree is healthy or not. On what basis you cut this tree? It's a murder. They murdered. They depriving more than 300 people from oxygen, having oxygen on the trees. So we are suffering because of this. Panjim city is the most polluted city in Goa. We have the highest air pollution. We have the highest PM 2.5. We need more trees. Otherwise, we are all going to die with all asthmatic problem. Am I right?
पूण पेंजीम स्मार्ट सिटी खंय न्हू.
This is smart city. This is the smartness.
Smart city is that city which protects its heritage trees.
Yeah, this is dumbness. This is dumb.
This is nonsense.
It is like sitting on the branch of a tree and cutting on the other side.
This road is not part of the smart city mission, so there is no new tree planting happening here. And whatever old trees are there are being also chopped. So if you look around, there are new trees planted on the either side of the road, but not on the 18th road. And now we fear that because of the Junta House construction, they may even cut the remaining trees which are around the Junta House complex.
Whereas all over the
Also,
world,
people
yes,
trees being cut. There is a fear that we may fear that.
the whole world झाडां protect करता, preserve करता. And here in Goa, they are on a tree cutting spree. Everywhere the trees are being cut. Hills are also cut, trees are also cut, and fields are being filled up. There's a plan to cut the Kampal trees also. There was an agitation in 2002, 17 March 2002, there was an agitation and we had saved those trees. And once again, we'll have to have an andolan to save those trees.
पूण कितें मेजर रिजन आहा ते कापता हे झाडां?
रिजन काय ना. आता हे हांगा रिजन ते जुंता हावसाचेच म्हणले, बट वॉट अबाउट कला अकादमी फुडें एक झाड मारला. इफ अ ट्री इज पोजिंग थ्रेट टू लाइफ एंड ऑल, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट trees which are not obstructing traffic, not posing threat, they are also being cut.
विधानकाच्या समोर पळय 2 झाडां कापल्या. एक कापला 6 महिने फाटी हिच्या समोर, आणि काढून सगळे मुळां काढून धामर घालून पॅक केला. नो एव्हिडन्स.
The destruction of natural heritage in Goa everywhere.
There is no conscience. There is no feeling for trees. What kind of society are we living? What kind of people who are ruling us today? Horrible state of affairs. Panjim city, we are not going to remain silent. Today we are 20, 30 people. Next time will be 100. We will go to have the next week protest in Kampal. Because we are not going to allow cutting and burning more trees. This is crossing all the limits.
We appeal to the CCP, the Forest Department, all the other concerned authorities. Please look into this matter and stop this slaughter of our tree cover in Panjim.
तर इन जनरल पब्लिकाक एक फानी सुद्दां मारपाक तांकां परमिशन घेवपाक ह्या आयडीच्यान त्या आयडीच्यान त्या आयडीक तांकां घोण्यात आसता. पूण गव्हर्मेंट हांगासर डायरेक्ट झाडूच मारता.
व्हडली व्हडली झाडां, इतली गरमी हांगा एप्रील मे म्हयन्यांत जाल्ली, तेन्ना लोक सावळी सोदताले, आनी आतां ही झाडां मारून उडयतात. पावस सुद्दां अंदू कमी जालो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ट्री कटिंग.
सो सद्याक न्हू गव्हर्मेंटान खुबशीं झाडां लायला मेंटेन कोण करतलो खबर ना.
मेंटेन करना. मेंटेन basic just cosmetic it is. During Vana Mahotsav there's cosmetic this thing and they have that program of tree. Otherwise trees are being slaughtered. Such beautiful trees we have lost in Panjim. We have grown up in this city and we know the how trees.
And what are planted around the roadside, tomorrow they may say we want to expand the road, again they will cut down those trees which they have only planted. So we don't understand their logic. And whatever trees are there, these are all heritage trees. These are more than 80-year-old trees. They were planted in 1940s by the then mayor of the Panjim city, Dr. Ferdinand de Mello. So they have a lot of heritage value. So everywhere in the world, people conserve their heritage. We are killing our living heritage.
Yeah.
See,
This is a very sad state of affairs.
see, we are demanding that people of residents of Panjim should be consulted before cutting trees. Yeah? Because I remember there was a CCP commissioner, Sanjay Rodriguez. He had passed an order that I filed a complaint that time, that I should be consulted, taken around when they are cutting it, in advance they should notify us. So citizens can go and, ensure that the good trees are not cut.
Last year we had moved the court regarding the Santines banyan tree was cut. So we had moved the court and we had filed a petition. But then the court injunction was that henceforth we will not cut any trees. And after that we have seen so many trees being cut. In Kampal, this Kala Akademi, outside Kala Akademi, one tree which was not obstructing any traffic, not posing threat to anybody, that is also cut.
तर तुम्ही म्हणटा ट्रीज कट करीत आहात रोड वायडनिंग बीन जावपाचें कितें आहा इन
ना
फ्युचर.
काय, हे मरे व्हडले स्कॅम. हे झाडां कापता हेची लाकडां खंय वयता. इट इज अ स्कॅम. देर इज नो अकाउंटेबिलिटी अबाउट वेर द वूड इज गोइंग. I have got photographs, CCP collecting cutting trees, and लोकांनी telling me आमकां टार्गेट दिला 2 ट्रक काडपाचे म्हणाले. 2 ट्रक भरपूर जोडता न्ही, लाखांनी जोडता. So the people who are involved in cutting the trees are making money out of it. It's a scam. I got a photograph in front of Masanta Amari, the health center. They have cut trees with the trucks. I got photographs, the numbers, everything. The Times of India also published the news.
सर म्हाका एक सांगा जेन्ना पेंजीम इतके ट्रीज कट करता ओल्ड ट्रीज पेंजीमचे रेजिडेंट कोण भायर सरना कॉमन मनशाक दिसता एवरी टाइम.
आम्ही सगळे पणजे वेगळे
हो तेच पूण कॉमनच दिसता कोण न्यू कोण भायर सरना.
स्टार्ट केलं तिका हा पहिलं. आम्ही कितले
Now we movement start केला, आयच्यान start केला
every week,
of save Panjim trees. And every week we will have.
every week.
See, also there is a common perception that when you cut a tree, it will automatically grow. But we have to also see we are in amidst climate change, where there is heating up happening, heat waves are coming up. So it is not possible. We are not giving conducive environment for the trees to grow. So people think, okay, if the trees cut, it will grow. It is rainy season and all that. So people need to be educated, made aware about the ecology and what are the trees, how they grow, what they grow. So if people realize the importance that what a dangerous level we are, I think people definitely will come out. And
People
media
should
will play
come
a
out
role.
in large numbers to support.
That is our appeal.
It is the responsibility of every citizen of Panjim to come out and support this movement to save trees.
So,
The next Wednesday we will be having agitation near the Kampal Ganesh because there many trees are being slated, marked for cutting.
So-
That is a beautiful tree cover. Wednesday what day?
Wednesday next week, so 6 p.m. onwards. Yeah.
Next Wednesday.
And tomorrow,
6 p.m.
at 4 o'clock, we are going to CCP to give a memorandum written.
Yeah.
I have already sent an email to CCP, to collector, and to the chief conservator forest, deputy conservator forest. I have already sent.
Thanks, Gosling.